Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the exact range you want to analyze. Include headers so filters and formulas reference column names. Once selected, decide whether to use Remove Duplicates for destructive cleanup or Advanced Filter to copy unique values elsewhere. If you need non-destructive checks, insert a helper column with a formula like equals countif. A2 equals 1 to mark unique rows. This immediate action sets the sheet for the next steps and avoids accidental loss of original data. Now you identify different numbers using formulas that show how and why items differ. Use countif for a single column and countifs when multiple criteria matter. These return counts you can test with equals 1 for uniques. If you have Excel 365 or 2021, use unique range to spill distinct values immediately, then wrap sort if order matters. For complex cases, filter values by your helper flag or combine the helper with sort and unique to produce a clean list for reporting or further analysis. Finish by converting formula results to values if you need a static list, or keep dynamic links for live updates. Copy, paste special, values preserves outputs. For summaries, build a pivot table and set value field settings to distinct count when available to validate results. If numbers seem wrong, check for common issues like trailing spaces, non-breaking spaces, or numbers stored as text. Use trim value or text to columns to fix them quickly. One tip: reapply calculations after cleaning to confirm accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.